Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using two dip powders from Nellie Belles, and I'm super excited. The two colors here are part of the Belles bundle for the week, and you get this two color bundle at a discounted price, and this price runs for a whole week, so you can get the discount from today all the way to June 10th. So we are doing a gel method mani today, and we're going to start off by dipping into that beautiful Lotus Nectar. Now when I saw this color, it totally reminded me of pink sand beaches. It is stunning. Check out this coverage and how pretty this color is, even with one dip. And it has the most beautiful light shimmer to it, and it's not that overpowering shimmer. It is really pretty and very subtle. Now I am doing the gel method today, and when I am applying that gel to the nail, I'm focusing that gel product on the middle of the nail first, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover the whole entire nail. I just want to make sure that I'm not flooding the underneath side of this press-on nail, otherwise I'm going to get product underneath the nail, and then I'm not going to have like a good, clean, even, smooth finish. Now we are going to do some color blocking as well, so I'm going to use this 3M. It's a medical tape, and I do really like this tape. It's super sticky, and I'm just going to gently apply it to the nail, and then I'm going to use a silicone tool here. And I'm really going to press down firmly to make sure that this tape is laying as flat to the nail as possible, so we can get a really good crisp line with this color block. And then I'm gently applying a very, very thin layer of this gel base to the nail, and then I'm going to dab it right there into that cupcake liner, and we are going to create a really pretty color blocking with the two colors from the bundle this week. Now when I see this color here, I already told you it's giving me beach vibes, and I cured that for 30 seconds really quick off camera, and then I'm brushing it off. And this color is totally buildable, so you're going to see here how pretty it looks with that one dip, and then we're going to really bring it to life with the second dip. And isn't it even better? It is so pretty, and I just love the color so much. And you're going to see here the color difference with two dips versus one. Now with one dip, it's kind of like a sheer pink beach class kind of like look to it. So this dip powder right here is super buildable, and you're going to be able to do a lot of different manis, and it's going to complement so many different colors. It would look good with even some like bright neon orange or some purples, even blues. It's like overall a really great color to have in your collection, and I definitely need a bigger jar of this Lotus Nectar. Now the jars that you're seeing here are sample sizes, but you can get this bundle in sample sizes or 0.25 ounce. So you are going to be able to get either size at a discounted price, which is fantastic. Now, the color blocking here, you can see it is definitely coming to life, and I cured it for 30 seconds, and now we're going to carefully remove that tape here from that nail, and I'm just going to slowly rip that tape off. Now, if you do tear the tape and it's not coming off in one piece, it's okay. You can go ahead and still get that rest of the tape off carefully here, and then you will get that clean, crisp line like you see here. And it is perfect, and I love it so much. So now we're going to move into Abbie, which is really fun, and it has like this really pretty light pink base, and then it has these gorgeous pops of color in the foil from teal to purple to pink, and it kind of is reminding me of mermaid colors, and I just feel like it tied this whole pink sand vibe that we had with this mani mixed with like this mermaid tail or beach glass. And it is so pretty, and those foils are really awesome, and they are laying really flat to the nail, and they're also not bleeding with that gel base, or if you're using dip liquids you won't have any bleeding issues or anything like that. And it's just overall really pretty and just a delicate color. So here is what the mani looks like so far, and then I went ahead and applied the base to the nail here for that color blocking, and check it out. It is so pretty, and it's definitely taking a life of its own. So I went ahead and cured that off camera, and we're going to go in with a second dip, and you're going to see how buildable this dip powder is. Now, if you are picking up less foils than you like, you can always hand place more foils as well. So I'm gently tapping in those foils to that gel base, and you can see here it is so fun and pretty. It's like the perfect foil dip powder for summer. So I'm going to carefully go ahead and apply more of that gel base, and I'm going to make sure that I'm not overlapping any of those beautiful colors. Now, if you do, you can take an orange wood stick and kind of clean up the edges if you do get any of that foilness on the other line, but I want to keep this line as crisp as possible. And here it is. You can see here that this mani is coming together, and I just love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and do very minimal filing and buffing. I am just cleaning up the sides and just gently reshaping just a little bit. That's all I needed to do with this mani, and then I'm going to finish it up with some gel base and then a gel top coat, and then that is going to be it. And I really like how simple, but yet we did a little pop of color blocking with this mani, and those foils really add like a pop of bling. And I just really like the combination of the foils, how it has like this really pretty teal and pink and purple in it. So now we're just finishing up with the top coat, and I cured that for 60 seconds, and then here is the finished mani. I love it so much. It's super pretty. It's like a softer side of summer, and yet it's giving me all those tropical beach vibes. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget, if you are interested in these colors, definitely take advantage of the Belles bundle for the week at a discounted price, and then you can also use a discount code on top of it, which is super amazing. So definitely head over to Nellie Belles and check out the amazing colors that she has to offer. If these colors were not your cup of tea, you will definitely find something that catches your eye, and I will see you in the next upload.